Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution: 5 to the power of x plus 1 minus 5 to the power of x minus 1 equal to 16. 1 equal to minus 1 plus 2. So we are going to implement here. So 5 power x minus 1 plus 2 minus 5 to the power of x minus 1 equal to 16. A power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. This formula we are going to implement here. 5 power x minus 1 into 5 power 2 minus 5 power x minus 1 equal to 16. We are going to take 5 power x minus 1 common. So 5 power x minus 1 open bracket 5 square minus 1 equal to 60. Now 5 power x minus 1, this 5 square is 25 minus 1 is 24. 24 equal to 16. Now divide on both sides by 24. So 24 by 24. So this 24 cancels this. So we have 5 power x minus 1 equal to 16 by 24. If you simplify this will be 2 by 3. So we'll get 5 power x minus 1 equal to 2 by 3. Take a log on both sides. Log 5 power x minus 1 equal to log 2 by 3. Therefore, we are going to apply a power log formula. Log m power p equal to p log m. X minus 1 log 5 equal to log 2 by 3. Divide by log 5 on both sides. Log 5. Here log 5. So this log 5 cancels this log 5. X minus equal to log 2 by 3 log 5. We are going to implement this formula. Log a by b equal to log a minus log b. We have x minus 1 equal to log 2 minus log 3 by log 5. X minus 1 equal to log 2 by log 5 minus log 3 by log 5. Now we are going to implement this formula. Log a by log b equal to log a base b. X minus 1 equal to log 2 base 5 minus log 3 base 5. So x equal to 1 plus log 2 base 5 minus log 3 base 5. This is the x. We are going to verify now. Let us verify with the equation 5 power x plus 1 minus 5 power x minus 1 equal to 16. 1 plus log 2 base 5 minus log 3 base 5 plus 1 minus 1 plus log 2 base 5 minus log 3 base 5 minus 1 equal to 16. Now 5 power this one and this one is 2 plus log 2 base 5 minus log 3 base 5. So minus this one cancels this. So we have 5 power log 2 base 5 minus log 3 base 5 equal to 16. Therefore, we know that a power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. Also, a power m minus n equal to a power m by a power n. This formula we are going to implement. Get 5 to the power of 2 times of 5 to the power of log 2 base 5 by 5 to the power of log 3 base 5 minus 5 to the power of log 2 base 5 by 5 to the power of log 3 base 5 equal to 60. A power log b base a equal to b. This formula we are going to implement here and here. This 5 power 2 times of 2 by here it is 3 minus it is 2 by 3 equal to 16. 5 square is 25 times of 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 equal to 16. 25 times of 2 is 50 by 3 minus 2 by 3 equal to 50. 50 minus 2 is 48 by 3 equal to 16. Now this simplify this, get 16. So 16 equal to 16. So LHS equal to RHS. Thus verified.